Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Global Scholarship. Today I am going to explain you the complete apply process of the IDFC Bank scholarship program, which is sponsoring 2 lakh worth scholarship. To know the complete application process, please watch the video till the end. Worth, that is 1 lakh per year scholarship is sponsored by IDFC Bank. The purpose of this scholarship is to encourage the meritorious students who are willing to continue their post-graduation course. This scholarship is open for Indian nationals, and the student who is applying for this scholarship whose age limit must be less than 35 years and the family income should not cross more than 6 lakhs. And the student must be pursuing his or her MBA in first year. To apply this scholarship, you need admission related documents like the admission letter, which includes the institution or the college name along with your joining year, and a copy of fees receipt. And the second is the academic related document, that is your previous year or the graduation certificate or the mark sheet of the same. And the third is financial documents, that is income proof or the income certificate which has been issued by government authorities, a copy of payslip or ITR returns. The fourth is other documents, that is if only applicable for you, then provide this following document. For example, like disability certificate, if you have taken any loan prior and it has been sanctioned to pursue your MBA, then please provide that. If you have bagged any scholarship to pursue MBA course, then please attach a copy of that also. Then if any of your family members or immediate family members have been passed away, provide the death certificate too. Let's get started with the application process. Before we are going to next phase, like, share and subscribe to YouTube channel. Now let's begin with the complete application process. So first, we'll check the eligibility criteria to apply for the scholarship. I have already explained about these things. Then you will find a simple form where you need to enter the following details like your first name, your last name, your email ID. Make sure email ID and mobile number should be valid because you'll get the further updates on email and the OTP for the verification on your mobile number. Once you enter all these details, then you will get an email, that's a welcome email you will get, which includes your ID and password along with the application link. After clicking on the link and logging into with the credentials which have been provided in the email ID, you have to submit the application by filling out all the basic required details. After that, make sure that provide all the documents which are required for this application process. Once you are submitted with all the documents, then for the further communication, if you have been shortlisted for this scholarship, then you will get a shortlisted list on your email. After that, you have to provide, to get the award of this scholarship, you have to provide the further details like your college name, your receipt and your mark sheet copies. If you have been shortlisted for this scholarship, then you will get an email confirmation, then the disbursement of the scholarship will take place. Once you click on the application, here you will find an interface which has a brief welcome note, and there you will find Scholar Actionable. Click on the button, then you will be redirected to the page where you need to fill out all your details like personal detail, family income, educational detail, other details, and preview your application with filled information. So first, let's begin what all information you have to fill in personal details, like enter your date of birth, age, gender, select accordingly, male or a female, then a permanent address line 1, address line 2, then state you belong to, the city you belong to and respective PIN code, and select the prior experience, the work experience if you have any. Then where did you learn about this scholarship, that means how did you get to know about this scholarship information. Fill the data and click on the save button and continue. Mention the details about the family income, that is click on the earning member in the family, that is father, mother, guardian, sibling, self or no earning from the family. Select option accordingly, then click on the name of the member if you have selected any person like father or a mother who is earning. Enter their name, mobile number, then PAN number, occupation of the job, annual income, then type of document is required. Please select accordingly and upload the same. Add the family member if you have any more than one family member is earning in your family. Enter, fill out all the details accordingly. Then let's move on to the next Then next, let us enter all the educational details, that is the graduation degree you are pursuing, select accordingly, and year of passing. Then graduation status, that is you have passed the course or you are awaiting for the results. Click on the browse button and choose the file, that is to upload certificate or the mark sheet of the course you have studied in. And the current course details like MBA details will fill out, as the scholarship is only applicable for MBA students. So let us select the post-graduation course, that is MBA, PGDM or MMS, and year of graduation batch, that is in which batch you have taken a course, like 2023 to 25 batch. Then upload the admission letter, which includes basic letterhead of the college or name of the college and along with its signature. And upload the fees receipt which you have already paid. The fees receipt copy has to be uploaded over there. Then save and continue with the. Let's move on to the next phase, that is fill out other details. Like there are few questions. For that you have to acknowledge as yes or no. Do you have disability? If you have, click accordingly as a yes or no. Next question is like, are you availing any educational loan? If you have taken any loan, click accordingly yes or no. The number of siblings currently pursuing studies at your home, mention accordingly. Have you applied any of the scholarship for MBA, PGDM, MMS program? Like with any scholarship, have you bagged any? If yes, no, choose accordingly. Have you been awarded any scholarship in MBA program? Like if you have applied yes or no, click on accordingly, and if you have bagged, click accordingly. Then, and the last question is like, you have lost any of the family member during the COVID, the immediate family members? If yes, select accordingly, click on save button and continue with the next. After clicking on the continue button, you will be redirected to next phase, that is previewing your application. Please check out all the details which you have filled. If you have made any, if you feel that if you need any corrections to be done over there, then click on edit button and edit the valuable information which you're supposed to fill out over there. All the information in a preview, like your name, your personal details, your documents which you have uploaded, like post-graduation details, admission copy, fees receipt copy, like other details, like with any specify if any disability issues are there, loan regarding the loan, regarding the scholarship you have earlier bagged any. So select all the options accordingly, check the details which you have filled already. Then click on the button that is self-declaration status, that is whatever the details you have provided, they all are true. So click on the two check boxes you will find at the bottom. Then click on the save and click on the submit button. And there you will be done with IDFC First Bank MBA scholarship application. So if you like the scholarship information, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And you can follow us on Instagram and Telegram at The Scholarship. Signing off for today. Take care.